Hey everyone, welcome back. It is day 27 and it is your short box mat. Today we're working on a set of exercises known as the short box series. It comes from the reformer work, which is a piece of Pilates equipment, and it is adapted for the reformer on the mat. So we're going to be working on those exercises to fill up our 10 minutes today. But let's go ahead and begin with our favorite, the 100, to go ahead and warm up. So I'm going to have you lie down on your back, bring your knees into your chest. Let's find that curled up position, looking forward towards your hip creases. Send your legs out to your working level, your arms by your sides, and let's begin to pump up and down. 10 breaths in. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, 3, 4, 5. In with the air and out with the air. You have 4 more breaths. And exhale, 3, 4, 5. 3 more breaths. Let's see if we can curl a little bit higher. 2 more breaths. And out, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more breath in. And exhale, 3, 4, 5. Hold there, just deepen that curl. 3, 2, 1. And then knees can pull in. We'll go ahead and rock and roll up to sit and get started with our short box. So I'm going to have you send your legs long out in front of you, but just keep the knees slightly bent so you have a little bit of space in between the backs of the knees and the mat. You're going to wrap your arms around your waist here like you're giving yourself a hug. I want you to take a moment to just press your forearms into your stomach, and that is where you're going to pull back with that tight jacket and belt. Drop your head down and round forward. Now you're in a nice C curve that is supported by that tight jacket. Then we're going to start to tip backwards. So we want to go through our 11, 10, 9, maybe some 8 to 7, really carving under, thinking of deepening that round shape and sending the sit bones to the heels. Now find that point of control. We'll hold here. 3, deepening, 2, 1, and then make your way all the way over the top of the arms to your starting position. You got 4 more of those, taking it back, squeezing the seat so that you can help facilitate that carve underneath with that 11 through 7, taking it back to your point of control, holding it 3, 2, 1, and then diving it all the way over. 3 more times. Let's go back. All the way back. Holding that point of control for 3, deepening the C curve, 2, 1, and then bringing it forward. My knees are soft to keep my legs soft. Let's do that 2 more times. Take it back. Tail pulls under. Holding there for 3, for 2, for 1, and then make your way all the way up to the top. Last time, let's take it back. Carving that 11 under, that 10, that 9, that 8, that 7. If you're feeling like a daredevil, let's go to 6 or 5, holding 3, 2, 1, and then come up to the top. Now, at the top here, let's just reach over for the toes. We'll take a nice, easy forward fold. And then stack the spine up. We'll find a nice flat, tall position. Go ahead and hook your thumbs together. Reach your arms up to the ceiling. Now, if this isn't good for your shoulders, you can always do hands behind head or hands across chest. We're up with the arms in the position that works best for you. And then take a moment here to just grow taller. So right around your 7, 6, 5, into your 4, you're lifting more space. You're reaching that rib cage further above the pelvis, making more space there for all of those lines in your spine. And then we'll go ahead and squeeze the glutes and start to tip backwards, staying flat as a board. We'll go back, we'll go back, we'll go back, and then we'll make our way up to the top. Now I want you to think of brushing paint on the ceiling. We're going to brush that paint on the ceiling as we go back. And then we're going to go back and make sure that we put a second coat on the way back up to the top. Let's go for 2 more. Hinging back, 3, 2, 1, and then exhaling up to the top. One more time, hinging back. 3, 2, 1, and exhaling up to the top. Excellent. Now go ahead and round over again. We'll take a little beat in between each exercise, and then we'll do our side to side reaches. So arms go in the same place that they were, up behind your head or across your chest. And we'll go ahead and take a big side bend. I want you to think of your body in between two panes of glass here. So there's no leaning forward or back. You're just reaching out, and you're keeping that opposite hip weighted down heavy. So if you were in a canoe, that boat wouldn't rock from side to side. We're going to come back to the center. Now let's go up and over to the left side here, lifting up. 2, 3, and then back to the top. One more each direction. Let's lift and reach it over. 3, stay in between those two panes of glass. 2, 1, and back to center. Last time here to the left. Lengthen to go over, reaching. 3, 2, 1. Make your way to center, and then dive over for your toes. Take an itty bitty stretch here. Let's make our way back up to the top. Re-engage those arms, placing them where you want to place them. We'll go ahead and take a twist, finding more length through the waist, wringing out that rib cage like a washcloth. Let's take it back, taking a hinge, lifting and reaching flat as a board through this twist as far as you can. We'll go all the way up and untwist. Let's twist to the left. Twist, 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 and then lift to reach it back. 3, 2, 1. Make it all the way up and untwist. We'll twist it right again. Twist, twist, twist. Lift and reach it back. 3, 2, 1. Let's come up. Untwist. Last time here to the left. Twist. 3, 2, 1. Lift and reach. Up, up. Look where you're reaching. Go a little bit further. Make your way up. Untwist. Whew. Relax your legs. Take a little break, folding over the thighs. And now we'll do our tree next. So I'm going to have you stay seated tall. Left leg stays where it is. Right knee pulls into the chest. Now, as you pull that right knee deep into your chest, you can kind of tip back slightly off of your number 11, but we want to keep 10 through 1 flat as a board. Now, from here, you're going to extend that leg upward towards the sky and bend it in. I want you to try to not change your spine at all. So you're lifting tall. You're even growing taller here as you extend that leg and bend it in. My elbows are bent wide to the side to keep my collarbones open. Extend that leg up, 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 and bend it in. Now go ahead and extend up, and we'll hold it there. Walk your hands to your ankle, 1, 2, or towards your ankle if that's not available to you. And then we're gonna drop the nose to the knee, bend the elbows to the side, and then tip back as if you could stand your foot on to the ceiling. You're going to go back as far as you can. I want you to really reach through that bottom foot as a counterweight. And then we'll start to climb down the leg as if you're climbing down a tree. We'll go inside hand, outside hand, inside hand. Head drops back at the top. And then lift head, neck, and shoulders. Inside hand, inside hand. And then we'll go outside hand climbing down, inside hand, outside hand. Rolling through that spine with control. Head lifts as you peel your spine off. Outside hand, inside hand, outside hand. One more time, starting with the inside. Inside, outside, inside, and inside, outside, inside. Now hold that stretch. We want to stay rounded forward in that C curve. Keep your foot relaxed. And then go ahead and tip slightly forward so that you're on top of your sit bones again, lifting the chest, lifting into a flat back, and then begin to bend your elbows to the side to deepen the stretch. 3, growing taller. 2, and 1. And then from there, you can soften the knee down and take that leg out in front of you. Wow, my leg feels so much longer than the left. Let's go ahead and do your second side. So now we'll pull the left knee into the chest, lift tall, tipping slightly off of your sit bones. And then extend that leg up, bend it back in, extend the leg up, bend it back in. Let's do one more like that. Extend and lift tall, bend it in. Now reach that leg up towards the sky, hold it there. Walk your hands to your ankle. 1, 2. Now round your spine, drop your nose to your knee. Let those elbows bend to the side to pull the leg towards your face, and then tip back as you reach through that bottom leg as a counterbalance. Holding, holding. Now we'll begin to climb down. Let's start with the inside hand. 3, 2, 1. Make your way up, inside hand. 3, 2, 1. 2 more times. Outside hand goes. 3, 2, 1. Outside hand goes. 3, 2, 1. One more time, starting with that inside hand, climbing back, rolling through the spine, head drops, and then climbing all the way up. 3, 2, and 1. Now hold the top. Let's go ahead and pull the leg towards your face, letting those elbows bend, finding that deep stretch, and then we'll tip the shape slightly forward, lift the chest, lift the spine. Keep those elbows bent to the side to help deepen that stretch. We'll grow taller here. 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go ahead and pull the knees in towards the chest. Scoot forward towards the front edge of your mat. We're going to do some rolling like a ball just to end our practice today. So we'll tip back and find a balance, lifting the heels off the mat. Draw your chin down, find that round spine, abs are in and up, and let's rock and roll back to tips of shoulder blades, up to the top to balance. Let's go for 5 more. Rock it back, bring it up. Last 4, back and up. 3 more, back and up. 2 more, back and up. 1 more time, all the way back, all the way up. Find your balance. Now set your feet down on the mat, and you are all set for your day 27 short box mat. I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 28.